Hello everyone. Good morning to one and all. This is the third unit, third concept. Nothing but pros and cons of cloud computing. Nothing ma pros. In the sense, what are the advantages we want to say pros of cloud computing and cons is nothing it is coming to the what that exactly meaning in the sense disadvantages of cloud computing. First of all, we have to learn what is a cloud is a widely distributed network. It is purely network based and it is a storage and it is a form of computation. With the help of cloud, we want to store some data. Bulk of data we have to store at the cloud. Okay, cloud is nothing but using someone's else server to host, to process or to store data is nothing but what we want to say cloud. Coming to the cloud computing, what we have to store to storing applications, accessing and processing via applications via internet, okay, from servers. It's nothing but cloud computing. Now coming to the cloud computing concept, we have to learn today. We describe the advantages of cloud computing is nothing but pros of cloud computing, and one more discussion we have to discuss there. What are the disadvantages of cloud computing? That is nothing but cons of cloud computing. Okay, now we'll see first pros of cloud computing. What are the advantages of cloud computing? First of all, the main key, the first easy implementation. What we want to implement in a easy way at cloud is nothing ma. Cloud hosting allows businesses to retain the same applications and business processes, without having to deal with the backend technicalities. In the sense, we want to readily manageable by the internet and a cloud infrastructure. It can be accessed by the enterprises easily and quickly. What we say exactly the cloud computing in the sense, easy implementation in the sense, the cloud host allows the business purposes, without having to deal with the backend technicalities. Okay, and we want to read it should be manageable by the internet and a cloud infrastructure. It can be accessed by the enterprises easily and quickly. Okay, and coming to the one more advantage of cloud computing is nothing but accessibility. Okay, wherever you can access some data at the cloud. In the sense, accessing what we were accessing some applications, some data we want to store at the cloud. What exactly in the sense accessibility in the sense, access your data at anywhere at any time. Okay, we have to access an internet cloud. Okay, if you have cloud internet infrastructure, it maximizes the enterprise, it maximizes the enterprises, the productivity and the efficiency, by make sure that we want to use some applications is always accessible. That's why we want to allow this accessing the data. It want to allow for easy collaboration, and we want to sharing among users in multiple locations. Okay, at anywhere at any time we have to access our data at an cloud internet infrastructure. Okay, it's nothing but accessibility. In the sense, once again I repeat and easily, the what does it exactly in the sense, we want to access our your data at anywhere at any time, and a cloud internet, it should be effectively and effectively maximizes the productivity and efficiency, to make sure that the applications is always accessible. Okay, coming to the no hardware required. In the sense here, coming to the advantage of cloud computing, we don't want any hardware to required. Okay, no hardware required, since during at the time of everything it will be hosted in the cloud. A physical storage center is no longer needed. Okay, it is nothing but no hardware required. Coming to the one more advantage of cloud computing is nothing but cost per head. In the sense, whatever network you want to use at the cloud, that network charges only you want to pay as you go. Okay, in at the cloud. Coming to the cost per head, in the sense, to overhead, the technology cost are kept at a minimum with cloud hosting services. To enabling the businesses, we want to use some extra time and resources for improving the company infrastructures. Okay, it is nothing but cost per head. And coming to the one more advantage of cloud computing is efficient recovery. What we want to say efficient, in the sense very fast recovery is there at cloud computing. In cloud computing, we want to deliver faster and more accurate, in the sense more correct retrievals of applications and data. Okay, we want to deliver the faster efficient. Okay, the cloud computing delivers faster and more secure retrievals of applications and data with less downtime, and it is the most efficient recovery plan also include in that cloud computing. Okay, and coming to the one more advantage of cloud computing is nothing but storage and scalability. Yes, storage, we want to store a huge amount of data. Okay, at cloud. Okay, with the help of cloud, we want to store some data, we want to accessing processing applications via internet from remote servers, wherever it may be. Okay, coming, we want to see now storage. Here the storage and scalability, what it the process of being scaled here. No more infrastructure investments. What ma? No more infrastructure investments or time spent adding the new servers and partitioning none of that mess. In the sense, with the cloud, you basically you have to access unlimited storage capability and also and as well as scalability. Okay, and coming to the one more advantage of cloud computing is a backup and disaster recovery. What does exactly backup and what does a disaster recovery? In a sense, we want those days of the tape backup or long. Most cloud providers across service types and platforms, we offer the comprehensive backups and recovery capabilities at the time of since days. Okay, and coming to the one more advantage of cloud computing is mobility. The name itself says what it want to move at anywhere. Mobility. Okay, in the sense, at cloud we want to access data anywhere, whether it's your development platform and it is suitable of office tools or custom content management systems. Nothing ma cloud mobility, in the sense to enables access anywhere with a web connection. Okay, in the sense net connection will be there, we want to access at anywhere. Okay, it's nothing but mobility. Coming to the one more advantage of cloud computing is cost efficiency. What is cost efficiency? Cost, the name says the cost will be efficient. Okay, aside from storage and infrastructure cost, just think about all the other cost you can minimize with cloud services. We want to updating and managing applications or softwares. We want to hiring and training the new staff, and even we want to decrease on site energy costs. It's nothing but cost efficiency. And coming to the last and final one, the advantage of IT innovation here, what we want to say in the sense, probably the most understated the benefits of the cloud in the sense, it is reshaping. What we want to say, it is the cloud, should be it to enable the reshaping IT into a proactively innovative a bunch that focuses a lot, okay, less on manual system administrations and a lot of more improving the technology, mobility to even user personalization by using giving you to the IT innovation. The cloud can make their jobs much easier and more enjoyable. In the sense, what I am saying here, enable IT innovation in the sense, what exactly we want to say in the sense, the mobility to even user personalization, it giving your IT innovation, the cloud can make their jobs much easier, in the sense much better, much easier and more enjoyable. Okay, to enable the IT innovation, it should be most understandable the benefit of the cloud. Okay, and coming to the disadvantages, what is the meaning of the cons of cloud computing in the sense, disadvantages of cloud computing? What are the disadvantages we have seen yet cloud computing? It is also no longer in control is the disadvantage of cloud computing, in the sense no longer time we don't want to control this, in the sense for companies who have an in-house IT staff, they will be unable to handle the issues on their own. Okay, however, the Stratosphere Networks has a 24 by 7 live it help desk that can rectify any problems immediately. Okay, in the sense no longer in control. This is the disadvantage of cloud computing. We want to see the one more disadvantage of cloud computing is may not get all the features, in the sense we don't want to get all the features at cloud, in the sense all cloud services are the same, but some cloud providers tend to offer limited versions, and it should be enable the most popular features only, so you may not receive every features or customization you want. Okay, before signing up at cloud, make sure you know what your cloud service provider offers you. Okay, and coming to the one more disadvantage of cloud computing is nothing but no redundancy. What in the sense exactly? We want to say you have a cloud server is not redundant nor it is backuped. Okay, we want to use as technology may fail here, and there avoid some getting burned by purchasing a redundancy plan, although it is an extra cost. In most cases it will be well, it should be well worth it. Okay, it is coming to the disadvantage of cloud computing, no redundancy. Coming to the bandwidth issues, what the bandwidth in a network, the bandwidth issues is the disadvantage of cloud computing. For what we want to say in the sense here, for ideal purpose, ideal performance, for ideal performance, the clients have to plan accordingly and not pack the large amounts of servers and storage devices into a small set of data centers. Okay, what exactly in the sense, clients have to plan accordingly and not pack the large amounts of servers and storage devices into a small set of data centers, is nothing but clouds. Okay, and coming to the one more disadvantage of cloud computing is control and reliability. What we want to not control in the sense,